So today we have a unboxing from the cubicle. We have the YJ Yulong Pyraminx and the Mars 3x3. I don't know how to pronounce the first part. So yeah, let's just start off with this. No, actually let's start off with the Pyraminx because we always save the best for last. So pamphlet, no one cares about. And here is the actual cube itself. Let's go ahead and do some first turns. Oh. This is really sandy out of the box, and it looks like doesn't feel like there's any ball bearings inside of it. I mean, if we check out the mech, crap. Let's take a piece out. Crap, this is hard to take apart. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like there is no ball bearings, which is a bit weird, because I've never really seen a Pyraminx with no ball bearing. Yeah, so that's going to be definitely interesting for YJ, because there's really never, not that I know of, been a Pyraminx without either magnets or ball bearings. Gosh. Alright, so yeah, all I need to do, all that would be good for this cube is probably a bit of lube to just like get it not sandy anymore. But yeah, so definitely a good Pyraminx for YJ. I'm not gonna say anything that's bad. Actual 3x3. This is what I'm really excited about. So it's made by a brand called SenHuan something, and it's a branch off of YJ and Moyu. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Crap, this is gonna be hard to take off. Okay, so this box right off the bat, gosh, looks a lot like the GTS box for some reason. Maybe because it's like a competitor to the GTS or whatever. So let's see what's in here. Pamphlet. Let's move that out of the way and get to the cube itself. So I'm looking at it, and it looks a lot like the GTS. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do some first turns. Definitely a little locky. It flexes a lot. Corner cutting. It'll get that. It'll cut 45, but sometimes it'll just lock up at the back, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It definitely feels dry like the Pyraminx. Very loud. Anyways, guys, yeah, that is the unboxing for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you